One of the most important areas in setting up your own preschool is the documentation part. Most of us are not aware of the kind of documentation that is required and the tax liabilities. So, in this session, I'm going to give you clarity on what kind of business registration is needed in order to form your preschool entity and the tax liabilities involved. If you are a single person without a business partner, you can get yourself registered as a sole proprietor. This can be done on the MSME Udyog Aadhaar website. The MSME online form will have around 20 to 21 questions which you need to answer, and it will also ask you to upload your Aadhaar card. No other document is required apart from your Aadhaar card to apply online for the MSME certificate. The application fees for the MSME certificate is somewhere between 1800 to 2500. You can also get this done from a local vendor. Any person having a valid Aadhaar card can apply for the MSME registration online. After filling up online MSME application form, the MSME registration certificate will be issued in a few days on your registered email ID. In case you are looking forward to form a private limited company, then I would suggest you contact a CA who will help you out with the whole procedure. On the basis of the MSME certificate, you will be able to open a current account in your school's name. It is always good to have a separate bank account for your business instead of collecting the fees in your personal bank account. In case you wish to operate the preschool as a non-profit enterprise, then a Section 8 company or a trust can be registered. Further, you will also have to fill up Form 1, which is the self-declaration cum application for the grant of recognition of play schools. Let us move ahead and take a look at the tax liabilities that are involved. When you start a preschool, the only tax that you will have to pay is the income tax, which will be calculated on the profits that you make at the end of every financial year. There's no other tax burden, as you can see that the following items are a part of the service tax negative list and thus exempt from any kind of taxes. Number 1. Preschool education and education up to higher secondary school or equivalent. Education as part of curriculum for obtaining a qualification recognized by any law for the time being in force. And education as a part of an approved vocational education course. I hope you're now relieved that there's no major tax liability or any kind of compliance involved in setting up a preschool business entity in India. Thank you very much for the attention. Let's move on to the next session, and that is designing of marketing collaterals for your preschool business.